guys, got a super easy lesson for you today. We're going to be learning Chris Isaak's song Wicked Game. It's literally just got 3 chords that repeat the whole way through. You need a capo on fret 2, so grab your capos. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this one's super easy. It's literally just got 3 chords that repeat the whole way through. Capo does need to be on fret number 2 for this one to play along with the original. First chord we need is an A minor. Now that's second string up from the bottom, number 1. String above number 2, string above that, fret 2, press down hard, curl the fingers round, and strum all the strings except the top. So that is our first chord, A minor. Again, we can pop that thumb over the top to mute the low E string if you want. It just means you can get away with strumming all the strings and not worry about this one ringing out and not sounding great. So yeah, just pop that thumb over the top, mute that low E, means we can strum them all. Okay, chord number 2 is a G. That's second string down from the top 2, top string number 3, and bottom string 3, and we strum all the strings. That is a G chord. Next one we've got is D. Third one up from the bottom 2, bottom string 2, and middle string fret 3, and we strum all the strings except the top 2 for this one. So that's our D chord. So bottom 4 strings, that's our D chord. Let's run through them again, guys. So we've got A minor, then we have a G, and we have a D, and then D again. So that is it, guys. So it just repeats that the whole way through the song. Cool. So now we've got that down, let's learn the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, now we've learned the chords, we're going to learn the strumming pattern, and the order is pretty straightforward. As mentioned before, it's literally just A minor, G, D, and D again, and it repeats that the entire way through the song. Okay, so first chord, A minor. So if you pop your fingers on the A minor again, like I said earlier, thumb can be over the top to mute that one. The strumming pattern we want is down, up, down, up, down. Very basic. Same on the G. Same on the D chord. And then we're going to go again on the D. So let's try that again. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Same on the D. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'll just go through it one more time with you. So here we go, a bit slower. Down, up, down, up, down. Same on the G. Down, up, down, up, down. Then a D. Yeah, and that is pretty much it, guys. So it literally just repeats that strumming pattern with them chords the entire way through the song. If you've got that, you have got the song. My suggestions would be pull it up on YouTube, have a little play through, and try and play the song. Yeah, cool. Hope that's helped. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial on Wicked Game. If you have, please do smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again in the next one.